Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Publisher, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your device is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft website. Locate the Microsoft 365 section on the homepage. Click on the Apps tab to view the suite of applications available. Find Microsoft Publisher within the list of applications. If you don't have a subscription, you will need to purchase one to access Publisher. Choose your preferred subscription plan that includes Microsoft Publisher. Follow the prompts to create a Microsoft account if you do not already have one. Once your purchase is complete, go to your account dashboard. Click on the Install button next to Microsoft Publisher. A setup file will begin to download to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. You may be prompted by a security warning. Click Run to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft Publisher. The installation will take a few moments to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. After installation, close the Setup wizard. To launch Microsoft Publisher, go to the Start menu. Type Publisher into the search bar. Click on the Microsoft Publisher application to open it. Upon first launch, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Now you are ready to start using Microsoft Publisher. Explore the various templates and tools available for your projects. Familiarize yourself with the interface to maximize your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.